see how this goes. Huh. Alright, so I'm going to cut the motor by neutral. Alright, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! There we go. Yeah, it's like downhill on a mountain bike. Woo-hoo! Nice. Oh boy. Still speed, still got speed. A little wash off right there. Oh, it's getting so pretty up here at the leaves. Woo! Oh, this is nice. Oh, I love it. Woo! Oh man, it's nice. It's like downhill on a mountain bike. No drop. No drop. Big drop. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh. Oh, that was close. Oh. Holy crap. Oh. Oh man, that's nice. A little uphill part. You know, I think I'm just gonna push it. Why not? Oh man, this is nice out. Alright. Let's get this downhill going again. And we're off. It's not rock here through this part of the trail. Cliff off to the left. You okay? Cruise along. Whew. Look at that view though. Right off the edge. Cliff right here. Oh, that's great. Go there. Woo. Oh, it's so pretty up here. Love it. All downhill. 2 miles. Oh. Woo. Oh, it's so nice. Woo. Oh, this is beautiful up here. Woo. All right. I think I'm going to start it up and burn down from here. Nice.